Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's afternoon wrap-up of our trade recommendations made at 6:45 Central, bright and early this morning of August the 11th. We came into the market wanting to be buyers, so we'd had good buying overnight. The buying on Friday afternoon followed through Asia and Europe, and the market was poised to trade higher. We said the first area of resistance could be 1935, but we thought best resistance was 1940. So where we really wanted to get short was in this 1939, 1941 area. But we could take a short in the 35 area, and quite often these happen before the market opens for its day session. So right up here we had our retest failure set up. You were short at 34.5 and the market traded down to 32.25, where you made 1 to a maximum of 2 points. Market came back up, stalled in the 34 area. You could have gotten short again in the 33 area, 33.5, and the market traded to 32.25, where you basically scratched that trade. You'd have been lucky to make 1. So we had 2 attempts for the market to sell. It didn't. That reinforced our idea that we wanted to be buyers. And the first buy came right here off of our retest failure setup. It's prescribed in our trading rules, and you were long at 33.75, and the market ended up trading to 37.75, so you had your shot at 3 points. Market kind of chopped in here. Right here we got our setup, another retest failure with deceleration signaled by the square, blue square and the blue diamond. And this time you were long at 37, and the market traded up to 41 for another 3 points. So got a couple of good trades. It took a while for the market to develop from the long side. Then we were in our sell area, this 40 plus or minus 1. So the first short came off this pattern right here. This is our setback trade, is delineated by an S. You were short at 39, and the market trades down to 36.5. So you made 1 to 2 points on that. Market came back up and then failed in this area, and right here you were short again off of a setback trade delineated by the letter S. This time you were short at 38, and the market traded down to 31.25, which is where it died. So we had 6 trades today. We were fairly active, set up nicely on the exiting for our expected return of 3, or stopping out with protective stops. You made 11 points or $550 a position. If you've been able to trade and maximize every trade, and you can't, you had a shot at 17 potential points. So 500 plus per position traded is really a pretty good day. We do this daily. We make our recommendations at 6:45 in the morning. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site, you'll get an overview of the software, our trading methodologies, and our educational programs. To further encourage you to visit us, we offer you 5 free days in our main trading room, where you get to see how we operate live and in real time. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, good trading.